Hello everybody, this is the Sesto Elemento here, and I'm back with yet another unboxing video. And so I'll be pushing out today around 6 to 8 videos, because I bought 2 RC cars from Beverly Hills. And without further ado, let's get straight on to the unboxing. So, what I got was the Pagani Huayra BC, and of course the video right now is the McLaren P1, which I'll have a couple of cool videos for. That will be coming soon. And here we go. Okay. Doesn't look like there's anything else. Yep. Alright, so this has a unique door system on it. Not like the same as the Ferrari. There we go. Place that down. And pull. P1 is free. Hopefully you guys can see it. I think this is not a first screwdriver. Nope, it does not. But it does require a lot of finger work. It's these type of screws. Come on. Really? Alright. Let's see if this will work. Alright, so these you will need a screwdriver for to get out, because they refuse to be pulled out. Let's get that started. Nope, it's the other way. No, maybe it's this way. I don't know. Come on. Okay, this refuses to be pulled out, so I'll do that on my own time. So the remote is just like the McLaren P1 GTR remote, but except it actually has an antenna. Sorry folks, I just spent like probably like 2 minutes on that, doing nothing. So it's all just tape, just to get some of this out. It's like this. Yeah, it's the Pagani's on the R remote, so it has the same length. Let's get the instructions out, because those are extremely important. I read, and if you guys think I read these, I actually do on my own time. Quite interesting. They're actually quite interesting to look at. Alright, this I have to be really careful about, because I do not want to. Last thing I want is to break it. Alright, let's take a closer look at it. Alright, I can already feel the P1 GTR. No, how did I say the P1 GTR? I can already feel the P1 is super light. feels much lighter than the Zonda R, which is saying quite a bit because that Zonda R is not, it's not super heavy, but it's not light. Alright, there we go. Yeah, that's how it works, I think. Alright, so I think, yeah, these you have to like manually close it. Yeah. It has a suspension. Yeah, so this is the P1. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully this breaks my new record. And I shall see you for the Huayra BC unboxing and the test drive. I shall see you for that. Bye.